Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, firstly, my name is Muhammad Iskandar Azrin and I am from Fort Oswald. So, today I will present about my topic that I chose for my project, that I chose for my assignment science project that called how to keep growing plant during flight. So, firstly, growing a plant can give many benefits to human beings. It can improve our health, save money on groceries and other else. But if flood happens, there are many problems that we will get because it will sink the plant that we grow. So, my objective for this project is we can learn how to make a floating garden. We can learn how to keep vegetables or fruit during flight, and we can find the best way to growing plant. Reasonability of research. So, why I choose this project? The reason is I make this research is because I want to solve a problem that always happen in Malaysia, which is flood. With this floating garden project, I hope it can prevent people from get lack of food supply and have some people don't even get any food for their lunch or their dinner. So my methodology to this project is, first, how to make floating garden. How to make it? We need to lay bamboo poles so the plant will not sink. After that, when we lay bamboo poles, it will make plant woven, so the plant will not sink again, and then the plant will float on the rack. Result. Based on the research, we can see that flood can ruin daily life. So, by making a floating garden, we can prevent people from losing their food resources and indirectly can cause they get a disease. So, I hope this project will help human life around the world, not only in my country or my place, so they can always get a supply for their food, and they can also sell what they growing, what plant they are growing, and make money or their salary from plant from growing a plant using floating garden style. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.